Here's how to fix if you can't download Threads. Now, the new app by Instagram and the parent company Meta called Threads, you might want to check it out and download it and start to use it, but you can't find it on the App Store or Google Play Store, or it won't let you download it. There are a few different reasons why and how to get that fixed. So, of course, the first thing is just if you're on an iPhone, open up the App Store. And what we're going to do is we're going to search for Threads and hit search. The key here is that there are multiple apps called Threads. You want this little white kind of scribbling with the black background. It looks kind of like a rope. You can tap on it and it says Threads and Instagram app. So that is the correct one. It should say Threads and Instagram app. If you don't see it on there, you can always open up a web browser and we'll just type in Threads app and hit go. Now on Google, you can just scroll down and here you can see the Apple link that will take you directly to the App Store. Same with Google Play, just scroll down. You might need to add Play Store on there to be able to find it. There it is, Google Play, and just go to that app specifically. Now, keep in mind, Threads is not public to every country yet. Let's go back to this article, and it says Threads countries. Threads has launched on July 5th to 100 different countries. So you can tap on this Wikipedia page, and it will show you all of the countries that it currently has launched under. But keep in mind, you might not be in that country, and potentially if you're not in that country, you just need to wait until that Threads app is rolled out to your country. Now, another thing is the Threads app is tied into your Instagram app. So if you open up Instagram here, and potentially if you tap on your profile at the bottom right here, if you have some kind of violation or warning or your account is banned, potentially that ban from Instagram has moved over to Threads as well, preventing you from downloading and installing that Threads app. So you need to fix whatever ban or violation is on Instagram, and then you'll be able to get the Threads app. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.